Welcome back coders, I am Pratiksha and today we will talk about indexing in Python. Indexing in Python refers to the process of accessing of elements in data structures, for example list, tuple, string. In the data structure is assigned a unique index value which starts from 0 for the first element and 1 for the second element and so on. It helps us to modify or manipulate specific elements within the data structure. So, type of indexing. So, indexing is of two types, that is positive indexing and negative indexing. So, let us talk about positive indexing, which starts from 0 and from left to right, whereas negative indexing starts from -1 and from right to left. Indexing is performed in different data types like string, list and tuples, and we have already studied about the different types of data types. Now let us see how indexing is performed in type of data types. Now we will talk about indexing in string, how indexing works in string. So x is my variable and the value assigned to x is hello, and as we can see that I have written hello in double quotes. So the data type of x is string, and as I told you that indexing always starts from 0. That is, the character at index 0 will be h, the character at index 1 is e, the character at index number 2 is l and so on. Indexing is always written in square brackets. So, for example, here I have written x, which is the name of the variable, and in brackets, square brackets, I have written 1. So when I will print, output will be e, that is the character at index 1 is e. Similarly, if I am writing x 3, so which character will be at index number 3? It will be l, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So my output will be L. This was all about positive indexing, which starts from 0 and from left to right. Okay. Now we will talk about negative indexing. Indexing starts from -1 and from right to left. So here I am writing -1, then -2, -3, -4 and -5. So I have to find the index of, suppose, -2. So what will be my output? The output will be L, because the character at index -2 is L, and if I have to find the index value of say -5, so my output will be H, as the character at index -5 is H. So this was about indexing in strings. The type which is list. Now we will see that how indexing in list works. So here also I have created a list named as list _1, and these are the elements in my list. Okay, you can also write 0, 1, 2, 3 for your convenience. 3, 4 and 5 to find the element at index 3. So my output will be, see, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 will be my output. Here I have written list _1. So this is the name of my list, and in square brackets I have written -1. So my output will be coder, because as we all know that negative indexing starts from -1 and from right to left. here I have written -1, this is my negative indexing. So my output is giving you these two questions. Try to solve it on your own, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. The type of data type is tuple. So now we'll talk about indexing in tuple. So here I have created a tuple named as TUP, and these are the elements inside my tuple. Okay, here I have written tuple, and the index number is 4. So the element at index 4 will be, see, I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to find out that which element lies in index 4. So my output will be 7. So it's clear that element at index 4 is 7. Here I have written tuple and the index number -3. So as we know, negative indexing, it starts from -1. So the output will be, see, -3. So which element lies in index -3? That is 12. So 12 will be my output. And see, if I have written tuple and the index value I have given 7. So here what will be my output? As we can see that total elements in this tuple is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the indexing is till 4 only, and here I have written 7. So it will give me an index error, that tuple index out of range, because my tuple contains only 5 elements, and here I have written 7, which is out of, which means that my tuple index is out of range. So here also I am giving you 2 more questions to solve. You can solve it on your, okay. So do solve. So this was all about how indexing works, and today we studied about indexing in different data types, that is in string, that how indexing works in string, tuple and list. I hope you must have understood, and if you have any doubt, and ask me in the comment section. So please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Gyaan. So stay tuned for more videos about this Python series.